Hey guys, this is Jacob over at Gogg's Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we'll be taking a look at a fresh trade-in. It's a 2000 Tahoe Glide Lite. It's a 21 MB fifth wheel. Nice little unit here. We'll start up front. We got your fifth wheel hookup here. Got some storage, LP tanks. Comes with a couple. They would be full. It would also come with a brand new battery. All right, so we got one slide, and it is manual. It does have a handle there for you. Here we got some storage, some tools for the stabilizer jack. We got outdoor shower, satellite there. Here's your freshwater connection. Then below there, the black and the gray tank flush. Got the dual axle. It is hooked up to power here. 30 amp supply. Comes with a retractable cord. Ventilation for the fridge. It does have the rear stabilizer jack there. We got the spare tire. We do have a hitch if you were looking to tow something. We do have a manual awning here. Right here is the portable water tank. We got the water heater. Got the furnace. Some plug-ins here. Here would be the location for the battery. Take a look inside. Again, it's a 2000 Tahoe Glide Lite 21 MB. All right, so we got the bedroom up front right away. So you go up the steps. Got the mattress. You do have closets on both sides. Plug in there. We got plugins here. Looks like you could put a TV here if you'd like. We got plenty of storage. We got the kitchen, microwave up top, more storage, paper towel holder. Microwave, got the fan, 3-burner, oven. You got the dual sink. Does have the plastic slider drawers. Very nice. More storage. Previous owners, they added this. Some more storage. I can do it without breaking it. Tons of room there. On the bathroom, you got the toilet. More storage. Got the sink. Shower here. Here. Nice natural light in here. And we got the living room, dining table back here. We got the fridge. Gas or electric freezer as well. You got the roof AC. Oh, I did want to point out, here's how you check your battery. You can also see how full your tanks are, and the water pump switch is right there too. You got the couch, hooks there, more storage above. And on this manual slide, it does come with these to hold it in place. Then we got the dinette. You can move these cushions. There's storage underneath each bench as well. And then this folds down to a bed. You got more plugins there. There. Storage. Perfect. Well, I think that's going to do it, guys, here. This is, again, it's a 2000 Tahoe Glide Lite. It's 21 MB. If you have any questions or would like to come see this in person, just give us a call at 507-345-5858. Thanks.